So the email address to self is help@self.inc. So that is the email address, self@help.inc. Now I seen this information on Crunchbase, so you guys can definitely see the email address is here, and then they have additional phone number here. This is different than the phone number I believe I seen on their website, but this is the email address that I did see. Let's go ahead and search it in self just to confirm it, because we can get this information anywhere. We just want to make sure. And let's see if I actually can see it in here at all. Let me search it. Oh, can't see it. Yeah, to schedule an appointment, email help, yep, and in-person payment request in the subject line. So yeah, you guys could email them. That is their email address. So there it is. There you guys.